Hello everybody. Today we will talk about five senses and describing materials. Sense number 1 is sight. Repeat after me. Sight. Sight. I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. You can see with your eyes. You can see book, you can see laptop and sky. I can see with my eyes. Then, describing materials. What is the meaning of describe? Describe means saying the details of anything. Like this elephant. I will describe it and say this elephant is large and has big ears and tall trunk. It's your turn. Can you describe this rabbit? Yes, this rabbit is small and has tall ears, not big, and doesn't have trunk. Now, which of sense can you use it to describe? You use sight sense to describe. You use sight sense to describe anything is large and small. In this slide there are some pictures. Book, bus, bird and elephant. Okay, which of them is small, book or bus? Book is small, but bus is large. Which of them is small, bird or elephant? Bird is small, but elephant is large. Okay, we can differentiate between big materials like bus and elephant and small materials like book and birds by sight sense. Sense number 2 is smell. Smell. Repeat after me. Smell. Smell. I can smell with my nose. I can smell with my nose. You can smell with your nose. You can smell food. You can smell fruits. You can smell with your nose. Smell. Smell. To describe smell of any materials, we use smell sense. There are two smells, stinky smell and fresh smell. Stinky smell, picture number 1, stinky smell, describe for bad smell. But fresh smell, picture number 2, describe for good smell like fresh bread, like flowers, like perfume. Stinky. Repeat after me. Stinky. Stinky. Fresh. Fresh. Stinky and fresh. Stinky. Stinky. Fresh. In this slide there are some pictures. Flower, flowers, garbage, perfume, garbage. Which of them has fresh smell, flowers or garbage? Flowers has fresh smell, but garbage has stinky smell. Which of them has fresh smell, perfume or rubbish or garbage? Perfume has fresh smell, but garbage has stinky smell. Okay, we can differentiate between stinky smell and fresh smell by smell sense. Sense number 3 is hearing. I can hear with my ears. I can hear with my ears. You can hear with your ears. You can hear music. You can hear your teacher. So, repeat after me. hearing, hearing. I can hear with my ears. I can hear with my ears. There are two sounds we can hear. Ringing sound like sound of bell and ticking sound like sound of clock. Repeat after me. Ringing, ringing, ticking. Here we use hearing sense to describe sounds of materials. We have pictures in this slide. Bell, clock, phone, and clock. Which of them has ringing sound? Bell or clock? Bell has ringing sound, but clock has ticking sound. Which of them has ringing sound? Phone or clock? Phone has ringing sound, but clock has ticking sound. We can differentiate between ringing sound and ticking sound by hearing sense. By hearing sense. By hearing sense. Very good. Sense number 4 is taste. 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 I can taste with my tongue. Taste. Taste. I can taste with my tongue. Repeat after me. I can taste with my tongue. I can taste with my tongue. You can taste with your tongue. You can taste food. You can taste ice cream with your tongue. To describe taste of any materials, you use your tongue. You use taste sense. You use taste sense. When you taste, you will find things have sweet taste like ice cream and fruits, and things have sour taste like lemon and vinegar. Sweet. So we have sweet taste, sour taste. Repeat after me. Sweet taste, sweet, sour, sour taste. We have some pictures: lemon, chocolate, fruits, and vinegar. Which of them has sour taste? Lemon or chocolate? Very good. Lemon has sour taste, but chocolate has sweet taste. Which of them has sweet taste? Fruits or vinegar? Fruits have sweet taste, but vinegar has sour taste. Repeat after me. Sweet taste, sour taste. So we can differentiate between sweet and sour taste by taste sense. By taste sense. Repeat after me. By taste sense. Sense number 5 is touch. Touch. I can touch with my hand, and you can touch with your hand. You can touch anything. You can touch laptop. You can touch book with your hand. Repeat after me. Touch. Touch. I can touch with my hand. I can touch with my hand. When you use your hand to touch some things, you will discover there are two surfaces: bumpy surface and smooth surface. Bumpy surface like surface of this ball. Bumpy surface. Repeat after me. Bumpy. Bumpy. Bumpy surface means rough surface, but there are smooth surfaces. Smooth surfaces like feathers. Feathers have a smooth surface. Okay? We have some pictures: ball, feathers, glass, and bumpy balls. Which of them has bumpy touch or bumpy surface? This ball in picture number 1 or feathers? Ball in picture number 1 has bumpy surface or bumpy touch, but feathers have smooth. Feathers have smooth touch or smooth surface. Which of them has smooth surface? Glass or bumpy balls? Glass has smooth surface, but bumpy balls have bumpy touch, bumpy. So we can differentiate between bumpy touch and smooth touch by touch sense. Here we will put tick mark in correct square. Okay, when you use sight sense to describe this mouse will be small or fresh or sweet or smooth or ringing or taking. But we use sight sense. When we use sight sense, we will describe materials to small or large. So this mouse is small, not large. Okay, when you use taste sense, to describe this apple will be small or fresh or sweet, smooth, ringing or taking. When we use taste sense, we describe materials to sweet or sour. So this apple is sweet. Okay, when we use hearing sense, we will describe this pill to small or fresh or sweet, smooth, ringing or taking. When we use hearing sense, we will describe the materials to ringing or taking. So this bell has ringing sound. Okay, but clock has taking sound. Goodbye, my dear students.